Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing both clips so everything is ready. Your background as the base layer, then the green screen clip as an overlay. Make sure your green is uniform. Uneven lighting creates spill and holes later. Once both clips are placed on the timeline, tap the overlay to access layer controls because you need the chroma key tools next. This immediate setup saves time. Do it now so you can jump straight into keying without switching apps or re-importing assets later. Next, enable chroma key on the overlay and sample the dominant green color. This tells Kinemaster which color to remove. Increase tolerance gradually to eliminate the green without eating into your subject. Too high removes hair and edges. Then tweak edge feather and spill reduction to soften transitions and suppress green spill on skin or reflective objects. If the automatic key misses areas, use the mask or erase tool to draw around the subject for a clean composite, because precision here makes the final shot believable. Finally, play the composite at full resolution and watch motion carefully for flicker, halos, or transparency glitches. If it looks good, export using the project's original resolution and a high bitrate. H.264 is a reliable codec for sharing. If you still see green edges or halos, reduce the chroma tolerance and increase edge feather, or return to the source and correct lighting. Sometimes the only fix is better illumination. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Tiny adjustments often solve what big changes bring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.